Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to part 4. So in this one, we're going to be basically adding a file upload button here. There's a couple of things I'm not 100% sure on and might have to check up on as we go, but I'm pretty confident in taking you guys through this, and let's just crack right on, shall we? So first thing I want to actually do is grab, there's like a file upload button, or here it is. This is what I want right here. So we'll just steal that real quick. This will save us some time. Okay, so we got an issue here. So what I normally like to do here is just float left, and then we can do float right, and then we'll put the button in that one, and whoops, upload in this one. We do actually need to run you on watch. Okay, let's just check this worked. Okay, interesting. Not seeing any changes there right now. Cash in. Okay, so now we're left with this. We need to put a clear flick. Can't even say it. Clear fix. And we got some unwanted pad in here, which we should probably fix. It's on the custom file input. Then margin bottom 3. Let's remove that real quick. Okay, this is a nice little starting point. Now this looks kind of ugly, but it works. It's better than just having to style a button and that right now. That's something you guys can do. So what we're gonna do is basically do at change file added. Am I gonna give this a ref called file import? We'll just leave everything else. It doesn't really matter too much right now. We need to work on the file added. So in Vue.js you can't add a you can't add vmodel to this for some reason. You just can't do a file import. So you kind of need to do it this way. So now what we do is this.refs file, was it file import I called it? Yep. Files. So we might have to do the l.files0. And we need to do this.file equals. That will basically add that. Excuse me. So we could do some nice stuff and show it here, but that's going to take some time. I am tempted to do it in another tutorial after that, but I feel like it kind of sucks to have to release a tutorial on the next day and take up that slot just for some front end stuff. So you guys can let me know if you want to see that. I'll happily do it for you guys, and we'll do something nice. I'll spend 20 minutes making this all really nice, the upload form. But there's a lot of Vue.js and styling work, so let me know what you guys want. I feel like I'm more back-end orientated, but I can happily do it. We'll do like drag, drop, upload, the whole shebang. Go all out on this shit if you guys want, but for now, we're just going to do it real basic. So when you've added one, let's see what actually happens when we click open. Nothing changes here. So now what we have to change is basically you cannot post an image properly with Laravel file upload unless you do it as form data. So now we have to add our content in here now, because we're going to be posting the form data instead of just this object. And now what we'll do is if this dot file doesn't equal null, form data dot append file, I guess we'll call it image, just in case we want to add You could duplicate the same process for video upload, or you could, excuse me, or you could support it on the exact same upload if you wanted. Excuse me, guys. Coming down with a bit of bad chest. And we want to just do this dot file. We can replace this object with form data now. And we're pretty much good there. That should support it from the front end. Now the back end side. So we got create here. Now let me just double check something. Available validation rules. I'm pretty sure there's one for image. There is indeed. So we're just going to use this one for now. Oops. And it's not required, is it? We don't have to post an image. So now what we're gonna do... Okay, so we'll just do attachment. Oh, did we call it attachment? We did. Now, attachment could be null, which is gonna be fine. So we'll just define that as null by default. And if request... Hold on guys, I got a wire on my microphone that's getting in the way. There we go. If request has file, then what we're gonna do is, now I need to, this is what I was saying, I can't, it's been a while since I did file upload, so let me just quickly check. I know for a start we need to do PHP artisan storage link. Oh, my bad. This is nicer actually if he wants to run it. Okay. So this just takes it straight after request, so I guess that's what we're gonna do as well. I'm not sure what that's gonna be, but we're gonna set attachment to... Well, I guess we'll see what it is after we create it, and we'll give it a type of image. And now since we're actually using this JSON field, what we're actually gonna do is go in the post table here, protected CAS attachment to an array. This will convert it from JSON to an array and vice versa automatically for you. Sorry, I don't know why I did that as a variable. So let's see, I think that should work. I think we're good here so far. We've got no errors there. Let's open that. Down to a property of files. Pretty sure it is files. Could be wrong though. Okay, let's show you my Googling process. JavaScript get file from file import. I'm pretty sure that's right though, isn't it? It might be because I'm using the ref. Input.files. Yeah, I thought it was right. Maybe it's because of that. Okay, I think that worked. Yeah, it's got a file there. Nice view. Post. Attachment is still null. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay. Nah, for an error, let's see. The given data was invalid. Errors. Image failed to upload. Nope. Doesn't want to do it. And now we lost our code. The image is actually failing to upload though, I think. And I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little print screen of this here. Gonna save that image in pictures, wallpapers, save. And then we're gonna open that one instead and try it with that one. It works with that one. So does that mean, sorry guys, I'm wasting your fucking time, I really am. But I was told people wanted to see this debugging process. Okay, so that works with that one now. Now that is fucking interesting. See what I mean here as well, it automatically converted it to an array. Awesome. So that file is supposed to be stored in there, but is it? Oh no, it's an app. Interesting. Interesting. Even more interesting. What the fuck? Oh, now it's changed. Okay, now it's in there, so that means we can access that, I think. But drive does not exist. So storage here doesn't have. Okay, so I can set a disk. Yeah. So I can hit post. and this will be the disk. So I think I can do public. Okay, let me see. This is the debugging process right here, guys. Okay, so that still says post, but it went in okay, great. See, so don't be afraid to check the actual code out yourself, guys, because this little thing here probably isn't even documented. Right, okay, that's sick. So now when we want to access this, right, we can do. How do we access this image? But this is a long ass video, 19 minutes so far. Sorry, guys. So I think you have to go storage, post. Yeah, there it is. And you can't just go. Oh, you can. Interesting. Didn't know that. Okay, so I guess now we got the file here. That means we're gonna have access to that beauty inside our list or posts. So now we can just quickly do this here. We're basically checking if there's an attachment and if it's a type of image, and if it is, we will put the src for that. We're gonna have to put a / here and then do post dot attachment. I can't remember what we called the path. Let me set the width to 100%. Let's close this sidebar, give us a bit more space. Okay, we've got pagination here, so let's do one thing real quick and just... It should be kind of this way anyway, shouldn't it? I think. Why are they not flipped around? I'm just being stupid. We've created more posts than that, I know for sure. Yeah, there's a new one. Right, that one's here. Okay, good. Sorry, guys. But interestingly, post.attachment doesn't equal non-post.type equals image. Post.attachment type equals image. Now it's displaying. And I've started to trigger me a bit, so let's do margin bound 4. Split these posts up. There we go, sweet. So now we've got image upload on there, which is quite nice. We'll add a border top there just to make it even nicer. Sweet. That's pretty cool, man. These images were fail uploads, weren't they? That's no problem though. But that's image upload. You guys can quite easily change this up and switch it to your own. I'm sorry to include all these fuck ups, and I hate that they even come into these videos, but sometimes you can't help them, and I don't want to have to cut the videos and try and pretend like they don't happen, because they do, and like it's just part of the process. But yeah, I'll try and put little annotations on screen so you guys can see and try and skip to the fix and so on. But yeah, farewell guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.